So today we'll go for the specific gravity test by help of the pycnometer. So this is the pycnometer. Let us discuss what are the apparatus required for this test. So first of all, we required a pycnometer, a weighing balance, and steering rod, some distilled water, and some amount of soil. In this case, we take the soil as sand. Okay, it is oven dried and sieved by 4.75 sieve. So let us start with the procedure. So first of all, open this cap of the pycnometer and check whether there is any lumps or any water mass or any other substances inside the bottle. And before it, we should clean the bottle. So let us first of all, take the empty weight of the pycnometer. So the record inside our performance. Next, open the cap of the pycnometer and fill the soil with help of the spade or spatula. About 1/3 of the total volume of the pycnometer. So here you see around 1/3 of the pycnometer has been filled with the soil. So now same thing again with the cap, we have to measure the weight of the pycnometer, that is W2. First one is W1, second one is the W2. That is weight of the pycnometer plus dry soil. So next thing, you have to pour the distilled water directly into the bottle. So it requires a trick, that is you have to first of all fill directly water into the bottle. Do not fill completely. First of all, fill up to nearby the neck of the bottle. Next, stir with help of a glass rod. The stirring should be so firmly and slowly so as to extract the air void inside the soil. And fill another some amount of the soil. Next, we go for the complete extraction of the air void from the inside of the bottle. So let's see how. So now, duly half-filled water and soil we placed into a vacuum chamber And here you see that vacuum chamber is connected to a vacuum pump. So now let us switch on our pump. So after being switched off our pump, the inside air voids from the bottle will be get evacuated or extracted by the vacuum pump. So let's do this process about 5 to 10 minutes in order to complete eradication of our the air voids. Moreover, we have evacuated all the air bubbles inside the bottle or from the soil mass. So let us once again fix this conical cap, and it should be completely clean because there should not be any leakage over here. So now we fix the bottle. So now we fill likewise the complete bottle till the top of the conical opening. So now the bottle is completely filled with the water. So now we wipes up the all air, all soil and water masses from outside of the bottle. It should be completely dry from the outside. So with help of a cotton cloth, we wipes up the bottle. So now next thing, once again we have to measure the weight of the pycnometer. That is W3. So for a while, next we have to completely remove all the soil and all water from inside of the bottle and completely clean the bottle. And the fourth one will be, we have to take only water till the top of the conical opening. So after completely pouring all the throwing out all the soil sample and water, right after taking the weight 3, next we have to completely clean the inside of the bottle. Next we have to pour only water into the bottle. So that is the distilled water one. So once again we have to wipes out all the water and moisture from the outside of the bottle, and once again we have to take the weight 4 and note down the readings. So in this process, so we have taken 4 number weight. That is, first one is the empty weight of the pycnometer. Second one is the pycnometer plus dry soil. It is up to 1/3 of the total volume of the pycnometer. Next, third one is pycnometer plus soil plus water up to the top of the conical opening of the bottle. And lastly, we have taken the water, only water with pycnometer. So in this test, we have to take some precautions, such as the soil should be completely dried, and there should not be, we must use the distilled water, and uh, and there should not be any water lumps or soil masses outside the bottle while taking the weight. So these are the methods. So after taking all weight, we have to, with the help of our formula, we have to find out the specific gravity of the soil. Thank you.